Hey guys, you got a system struggling to engage like this, the fan's not going that fast, and you hear this noise, then hey guys, that could be your capacitor going out. You know who it is. It's Tim with Elite Property Maintenance, giving you tips to fight back on expensive HVAC costs. Let's see if that's it.
So guys, I checked the cap, got my meter on there, and it ain't reading anything. So that's the issue. Got a new capacitor, bam, bam. I'm about to put it on and see if it works. So guys, make sure you match them up. 55 plus 5 microfarads on our old one. And guess what we got on the new one? You guessed it, 55 plus 5.
Right, it's time to cheer guys. We got that capacitor changed out. Hear it? Sounds good.